What's up, everyone? This is your host, Henry. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, make sure you click that notification bell, check out the description below where you'll find my social medias and my merch store. So we're going to get into this. All right, but before we do that, here we go. All right, are we in a recession? My answer to that question is yes. Obviously, you guys are seeing what's going on with the stock markets, Bitcoin, real estate, etc. Also, the price of gold and silver is going down as we speak as well. And when it comes to the recession, because this happened twice before, I think, like back in 2018, I mean, not 2018, but 2008, there was a recession and the cost of precious metals, gold and silver had went down a lot. But when the recession was starting to end, that's when it all skyrocketed up to like $52 or so, give or take. Let me know in the comments the exact number it was, but basically, the best time to start stacking gold and silver and platinum and palladium is now, due to it being low. We're basically getting this at a discount. And I think, in my opinion, it's going to happen again as soon as the recession is beginning to end, like last time. The cost of these precious metals are going to skyrocket, and that's when you should sell, in my opinion. But as of now, $19. I think it went down to 18.90 something today, but it's back up to 19 something, give or take. And gold is also down to 1700 and some change. And yeah, guys. We're currently, my all honestly opinion, like I said, we are currently in recession. The gas prices is also high. Food is high. Inflation, hyperinflation, shrinkflation. I've talked about those things in previous prepping videos of what shrinkflation is. I'll explain it for a second. Shrinkflation is basically you get a product, right? So I got a lot of Mountain House freeze dried food, so we're gonna use that for example. The total ounces before this started in a pack was about 21 ounces, point something. Now, and also the price was lower than what it is now. Now, um, the price has gone up at least $1.50 for the same thing, but the ounces is less. It's 19 ounces now instead of 21. So that's shrinkflation and inflation at the same time. And that's what's going on with a lot of food products and whatnot. Not just that, not just an example. But like I said, it is the right now is the best time to stack. And I know I'm still recovering from my surgery. Everything is healing, by the way, guys. Everything's looking good. I don't have no infection, etc. Like I'm fine. I'm getting better. Taking my medicine and whatnot, and on my path to recovery. Today is technically makes 3 weeks because I had the surgery on the 22nd of June, and yeah, it's 3 weeks today, Tuesday. And yeah, I've been paying attention this whole time to everything that's going on. You don't want to get caught with your pants down unless you're like dying or something, obviously, but it's just a surgery. And I had a few complications and I had to go to the hospital. Even with me being in the hospital, I had my computer and I was watching other YouTube videos, prepping videos, and I've been on it basically. So, like I said, guys, you guys need to be on it as well. Keep your head on a swivel, get prepared. Sure, you can't eat gold and silver, but you can trade stuff, barter, and liquidate it once it skyrockets in price. I can bet my bottom dollar that it's going to do the same thing as soon as this recession is coming to an end. Everything's going to skyrocket up. Gold, silver, everything. Mark my words, it's going to happen. I'll be very surprised if that does not happen. But let me know. Let me know in the comments below on what you guys think about the topic for today's video. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. I don't want to overdo it and do too much basically, because like I said, I'm still recovering, so you're gonna have to bear with 5-minute videos for now. But I will be doing my Wednesday Silver Seek Day tomorrow. Hopefully I'm in a good mood to do that. I gotta go do I gotta go get some new glasses and whatnot tomorrow, and go get some more prescription medicines because they got me on drugs. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. On your way out, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell again, and check out my description below. And other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, get prepared, carry a gun, and start stacking and prepping. Wait, yeah, well, get prepared, prepping. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry, but and as always, have a nice day.